Hello, in this video, we will create all the steps which you need to follow for parsing a document into a CSV file. Okay, so let's get started. Yeah, let's create a API class. Test class of this class. Document parser class. CSV class. Sorry, test class. This is the test class. Now let's run this class. It's saved. Now let's run this class. Save. So code coverage should be 100%. Yeah, yeah. So here we need to specify the key. Okay. And yeah, one more thing. For this, we need to have a one remote text setting as well. So now let's run the code. Yeah, at the moment, we can see that this is error has been thrown. Once we will write a correct key here, we will not see the error here. We will see the JSON, CSV as the output. Okay, thank you. If you have any question, please let me know.